paano mo i-promote ang Filipino cuisine like Makinasal sa foreign guests?
Can I do it with action?
Yan, sige. Sige, pakita ko. Kunyari, magpo-promote ko na yung kulas sa kay Fumi.
Gusto mag-promote ako sa inyo?
Oo, Makinasal.
Makinasal. Ay, hindi ko po yun.
Sige, sige na lang. Rockman family.
Pwede sa room na lang mamaya. Pero,
sige, go.
I will, very important talaga na magkaroon tayo. Ngayon ko lang siya na-heard. Thank you so much sa ating Makinasal na. Ngayon ko lang narinig yung gastronomy tourism. Gastronomy? Ay, gastronomy? Basta yung yun sila namin kanina. Very important because ang nga is an exploration of food. Pero very important po sa atin kasi para mag-taste din ng mga ibang bansa. Yung atin! Sariling atin! Kasi tayo, tangkilitin natin ang sariling atin. We eat our food, but we are open to their food. So, first, we open to ourselves so that we can, ibang bansa, mag-open din sa atin. I'm very sorry for this kind of operation. So, maganda talaga, nasa atin lang yan kung paano namin sabihin. Magaling ka kayo salita. So, diba? So, we want to share the delicious. If they want to taste the Philippines, the Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, this is the Makinasal. So, I won't say to the foreigner, don't talk about it, just taste it.
Oh! As an influencer, Mamsi, as an influencer.
As an influencer, I'm very sorry for Mia.
Yes.
Believe it or not, I am not a bad influencer. So, believe me, that Makinasal, if you want to be a Wakashasta, if you want, try the Makinasal because as a Japanese, hindi ko aabot ng pagkapanis dahil ubos agad ang Makinasal.